Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger patties. First, choose high-quality ground beef, ideally with an 80% lean and 20% fat ratio for the juiciest results. It is crucial to keep your meat very cold until you are ready to form the patties. This helps maintain its structure and prevents it from becoming tough. Remember to handle the meat as little as possible. Gentle hands make for tender burgers. Now let's form those perfect patties. Divide your ground beef into 6-ounce portions. This ensures a substantial burger. Gently shape each portion into a disc about 3/4 of an inch thick. Make them slightly wider than your burger buns as they will shrink during cooking. A crucial tip: press a shallow dimple into the center of each patty. This prevents the burger from bulging in the middle and keeps it flat. Seasoning is key for a flavorful burger. Wait until just before cooking to generously season both sides of your patties with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Avoid mixing other ingredients directly into the meat, as this can make the burgers tough. After forming, chill your patties in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up and maintain their shape beautifully on the grill or in the pan. It is time to cook. Place your seasoned patties on a preheated grill or cast iron skillet, aiming for a surface temperature of about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes per side for a medium-rare burger, flipping only once to develop a fantastic crust. Once cooked to your desired doneness, remove the burgers from the heat. Let them rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a wonderfully moist and flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.